Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see a checkout flow both in the UI and in the code, how it works. So first, this is for Mosaic, which is to generate open graph images for your website. So let's just add a website. In this case, I'm adding my personal website to get started. So this will add your website to Mosaic, and if you need to add more websites to generate OG image, you have to upgrade to Pro. So let's go into the settings and we can upgrade to Pro right over here. I'm clicking on Pro yearly, which is going to redirect me to this checkout flow. I'm just entering the sample code, subscribe. So if this is done, payment successful, getting your products ready. Processing, waiting for confirmation, and it will show payment successful. Now you can go to dashboard over here, and now you can add however many websites you want. You will get Pro early, and when you go here, you can go to customer portal from here. When you click on customer portal, it will open up a new tab which will go to your customer portal, and you can cancel subscription here. So that's the whole checkout flow in the UI. Now let's see in the code. So the checkout, how we're creating is this API route over here. It creates a new Polar client. So Polar is like the alternative to Stripe, Lemon Squeezy, and things like that. So it just is like a payment provider, payment gateway for your apps. And so yeah, we get the current user ID. If there's no user ID, it's a 401 unauthorized. We'll get the product ID and the customer external ID, which is the clerk ID we're getting in from here. And if everything's okay, you will get the full details from clerk. You will extract email, name. If it's local development, I have set country as India, so that's the checkout is fast while I'm testing. But if everything else is correct, it will get Polar checkout and create a checkout with all this information. So we can go to the success URL, which will be the confirmation page, and yeah, if everything's good, it will just redirect to that. So that's the checkout, and the customer portal is over here. So this is just when you click on it, if the customer exists, you'll just go to the customer portal. So when you click on manage subscription, this API route will move into the customer portal, Polar customer portal. But how we are seeing if the current user has access to something or not is from way over here, subscription.ts. So this gets the information from Polar. So we'll get customer state, or if you want to get customer subscription information. So we have all these states. So if the customer is free, we'll have some limits. If the customer is active, we'll have some limits. If the customer is like very pro yearly, we'll have some limits. So everything, all the limits are here, and we'll get the access token from Polar and check if the customer has the pro user or not, pro subscription or not. So everything happens in the Polar database. Also, there's no subscription table in Mosaic Superbase. Everything happens in Polar only, so that it's easier for us to just access Polar and get the information. So if the user is pro yearly, pro will know from Polar itself. We don't have to access that information from our database. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. I made it as easy as possible to go to Pro and to cancel it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.